In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView, a beginner-friendly walkthrough. First, open TradingView in your browser or app and head straight to the chart screen. If you're on the home page, click on Chart and you'll be taken to the main workspace where everything happens. This is where you'll analyze price movement, test ideas, and keep your setup organized. If the chart looks busy or unfamiliar, don't worry. We'll walk through the key areas so you can feel confident navigating them. At the top, use the toolbar to pick your trading symbol and time frame. Click the symbol box and search for the market you want, like a stock, crypto pair, or index. Make sure you select the right exchange from the list. Next to that, choose a time frame that matches your style, anything from 1 minute to daily or weekly. You can switch between timeframes instantly to see both the big picture and the fine details. To layer on analysis, click Indicators on the top toolbar. This opens the full library of built-in tools. Search for popular options like Moving Average, RSI, or Volume, then click to add them to your chart. You can open an indicator settings to adjust inputs and colors so they're easier to read. Keep your setup simple at first, then add more only when it helps clarity. On the left, you'll find the Drawing toolbar. Use it to add trend lines, horizontal lines for support and resistance, shapes like rectangles to mark zones, and other tools such as Fibonacci retracements. Click once to select a tool, then click on the chart to place it. You can edit style, thickness, and color to keep your annotations neat and consistent. Clean drawings make your analysis faster to review later. Open the right sidebar to manage your watch list. This is where you add and organize symbols you follow regularly. Click the plus icon to add a new ticker, drag to reorder, and remove anything you no longer need. A focused watch list helps you avoid noise and stay ready for setups. Along the bottom, use the toolbar for date navigation, the trading panel, and paper trading. Zoom in and out to scan history, or drag the timeline to inspect specific periods. When you're ready to practice execution, open the trading panel and enable paper trading to simulate entries and exits without risking real money. It's a great way to test your workflow and build confidence. Finally, click the Save Cloud icon at the top to save your chart layout. Give it a clear name so you can load it later on any device. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.